Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about some benefits that you should be looking for with your employer that can help you reach financial freedom that much quicker. And when I speak on these benefits, they're really subtle. A lot of people already know about them, but it can be monstrous in helping you to elevate where you are. So, we have insurance for everything: our homes, our cars, our health, our dental plans, our vision, our pets, our belongings. Everything these days has insurance. I believe I said cars already. And so, one thing that you must protect above all is your health. And I'm not talking about going out and getting life insurance, but depending on everybody's health situation, the diagnoses that may have been going on in your family, that may be something to consider. And whether that's term life or whole life, you should definitely do your research and look at experts in that subject. I did a little bit of research on it in the past, and I would say look at what Dave Ramsey has stated in terms of whole life and term life insurance, and see what he suggests, because he's definitely helped hundreds of thousands of people become millionaires, and his perspective on that I would lean towards more than some of the other folk in that regard specifically. Now, when it comes to employer matches with your 401k, or Roth IRA, this is something that is a benefit to you. That, let's say you make $30,000 a year and your employer matches up to 2 or 6 or even 8% of what you put in. You have just increased your salary for that year by that percentage, as long as you're willing to put in the maximum allowable to reach that percentage based on your company and when you start investing in those things. A lot of people are afraid to simply get started, but they're not afraid to spend money on every and anything else. And we have to get into the mindset of purchasing things that give us instant gratification. We need to get out of that mindset and focus on those things that are delayed gratification, because those are the things that are going to benefit us more in the long run. When we purchase these insurances, when we purchase these benefits, it's for the future rather than the present. And so we have to get on the mindset of, I want to feel and look and be like this 5, 10, 15 years from now, versus I want this right now, regardless of what it's going to cost me later. A lot of people don't think past today, and they give every single excuse in the world, from something very small to something very big. And so one thing that you can do to increase your salary outside of getting a new job, outside of asking for a promotion, is simply getting that employer match. And you have just exponentially changed your own life in a way, because you have put free money into your accounts. Another thing that you can do is look at your health plans, see what companies provide you with better health coverage, especially if you have underlying conditions or things that are typically found within your ancestry. That's going to help you to stay healthy, in shape, take preventative measures in order to not be caught off guard and be unable to fulfill your goals, dreams, and ambitions, right? Every single day, Monday through Friday, I'm in the gym, come home, and work some more after work, right? So I am taking care of my health to ensure that I don't get high cholesterol, high blood pressure like my ancestors. And when I do get high cholesterol from time to time, I work to bring that back down so that I am never at risk for high blood pressure, if that makes sense. Knowing what I can control, I would rather control that now, because once you have high blood pressure, you can't not have high blood pressure, right? You can have high cholesterol and get that down, but you can't have high blood pressure and get rid of it completely. So again, you got to take those preventative measures, even now while I'm still young, so that I don't have to face the repercussions of my bad eating choices, my bad health choices later on in life. Another thing that you can do in order to stay ahead of the game is again, be very presentable and forth-bringing. So one way that I look to stay presentable is by having a dental plan, going to the dentist, ensuring that my teeth are white, shiny, pearly, and when I go out and introduce myself to a new employer, or introduce myself to my team members, or introduce myself to those that I'll be working with, I don't off-put them or have them take a step back. They don't judge me based off my appearance in a negative manner. Because the first thing I did after graduating college, when I knew I was going to start working at Amazon and I knew I was going to have 100 associates, I said I needed to get my teeth looking right, because I cannot walk past 100 people every single day and maybe half of them don't even want to have a conversation with me because maybe how my breath might smell. Now, I've never had that issue, but I don't want to have that issue. And so I took preventative steps, once again, to ensure that I'm putting my best foot forward and I'm setting a great precedent when I'm in the room with anyone and anybody, right? So before someone can judge you negatively, you must take those preventative measures to ensure that you are putting your best foot forward. Now, we've talked about employer matches, that free money that literally is a boost to your salary. We've talked about ensuring that you know what runs in your family and taking preventative measures in order to ensure that you're not caught off guard and that you can continue to achieve your goals later on in life. And then we talked about putting your best foot forward, maintaining your appearance, and just doing things that will let you stand apart, or at least as an equal to those who are also looking to do the same things that you're looking to do. And that's really all I have for you today. But if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube and Rumble. I have a new album coming out right now, so make sure you are on the lookout for that, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.